sincerely offer a prayer to Krishna for you, and you sincerely try to follow. Now, regarding your first question, is it good to hear and memorize and for the sense of repeating it to others? The answer is no, because इससे अपराध लगता है, इससे व्यतिक्रमण का अपराध लगता है. क्यों? Because Hari Katha is not for others. Hari Katha is for the self. And when we say things that we have not realized ourselves, then there is karma for that. Krishna will test us in a very bad way. Prahlad Maharaj, he preached that Krishna, one should see Krishna everywhere to his classmates and to Hiranyakashipu. He said Krishna is everywhere. One should develop vision to see him everywhere. And that's the test Krishna put him through. Can you see me in the pillar? Because Prahlad Maharaj was a realized soul. ज्ञान यहाँ होना और चित्त में अनुभव होना ये दो अलग बातें हैं. तो यदि हम किन्हीं की बात सुनकर उसको चिपका कर कहीं और बताते हैं, इसमें तालियां अवश्य मिलेंगी, अरे वाह बढ़िया बोलते हो, बस उतना ही मिलेगा, हृदय में परिवर्तन नहीं होगा. सो बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज हियर हरि कथा, नॉट टू टेल अदर्स. हियर हरि कथा फॉर आत्मरंजन, फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर. You practice it yourself. Tak shrunvan supathan vicharana paro bhaktya vimuchyendra. Bhakti doesn't rise in copy paste. We hear something from someone, memorize it, and we say it somewhere else. By this, bhakti will not rise. You hear it, you remember it, you practice it in your life. Whether you say it to others or not, that later on Krishna will see. The main thing is the flower should develop makaranda in its whorl. Then the bees will come and drink. We are all like flowers. First, we have to develop janma sarthaka kori. First, develop nectar in your heart. Then you don't have to go to the bees will come to you. You don't have to go and tell anybody. 4 people will come and tell you, आप कुछ सुना दीजिए. क्यों? क्योंकि हृदय में मकरंद आने लगा. The flower of the heart has developed the nectar in the whorl. But if the flower only goes around trying to see which bee I can attract, then the flower will neither have kuch nice makaranda in the heart, which means bhakti, nor will it be able to attract any peace. So our purpose is not to tell others. Our purpose is to practice it ourselves. First, you put your oxygen mask to yourself, then think of giving oxygen mask to others. First, you think of learning to swim yourself, then you think of teaching swimming to others. First, you learn mathematics yourself, then you think of teaching others. यदि हम ही ना जाने, सामने से व्यक्ति कोई प्रश्न पूछ लेगा, फिर लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे. We have not studied properly. Somebody will ask us something and now we don't have answer to that. So not good. Best is you hear Hari Katha, study it nicely, practice it in your own life. Don't worry about the world. Swastyastu Vishwasya Khala Prasidatam. Krishna will empower. When Krishna empowers, that is another thing. Nowadays, this has unfortunately become a trend. Whether or not it is practiced, people preach about it. And they preach on social media. They use Instagram, they use Facebook. हमारे चित्त में हम प्रैक्टिस करो ना करो, अभ्यास करो ना करो, अनुभव करो ना करो, दूसरों को बताना है. इससे बात भगवत प्राप्ति से नहीं होती. Maya is not an easy candidate that she will let go of her grip on us just because we are saying it to others. Practice it and then you say that is another thing. What we practice, we can say. Otherwise, no. अपनी ना कोइला धर्म शिखाई ना जाए. यही तो सिद्धांत गीता भागवते गाए. अपनी करिमु भक्त भावे अंगीकार, अपनी करिमु भक्ति शिखामु शबार. Krishna himself spoke about bhakti, but then he practiced it himself as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He came full avatar just to practice Bhagavad Gita. So when Bhagwan himself can come and practice and then preach, so we should also follow that example. We should not be, our finger should not itch to tell others. Our finger should itch to practice it ourselves. These qualities, what should I do in my life, how I can follow these principles. If somebody practices 10%, that is better than somebody who tells it to 10,000 people without even 1% of realization. Because if some school has only up to 3rd grade, 3rd standard, even if you take 200 students, they will graduate at 3rd standard. The school cannot take them beyond. But on the other hand, if the school develops its infrastructure and takes it up to 10th standard, even if 10 students come, they will go up to 10th standard. So you develop your infrastructure first. Don't worry about telling it to others. And दूसरों के कहने पर बड़ी हानि ये भी है कि मान बढ़ाई बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है. पीपल विल से अरे बड़े पंडित हैं, अरे बड़े ये बड़े स्कॉलर हैं, देखो हमसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं. और इस मान बढ़ाई में जन्म मृत्यु के चक्कर में चंगुल और माया देवी कालिया की तरह और घिस घिस कर निचोड़ती है हमें. She doesn't make her grip easy. She strangulates us tighter by this pride. So better not get into all this. हमें तो गुरु महाराज का आदेश हुआ इसलिए हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, वरना तो हमें कोई इच्छा नहीं है. So we should just try to protect ourselves first. Atmanam sarvato rakshet. First of all, protect yourself. First, learn to swim yourself. First, do your sadhana properly. First, read properly. First, study properly. Don't worry about saving the world. That will happen automatically. And once we become confident, we become practiced, we become stable for many years, then Krishna will empower. Krishna will empower. जब कोई माहूत हाथी के ऊपर बैठता है ना, तो सब लोग झुक जाते हैं उसके सामने. पर वही अगर रास्ते पे चलो तो कोई नहीं झुकता. You see, if a mahout sits on the back of an elephant who's controlling the elephant, everybody is looking up to that mahout because he's up there. But if that same mahout is walking on the street, nobody's going to care. So we have to climb the elephant of bhakti first. That is our thing. And when Krishna lifts us up on his shoulder, that is another thing altogether. जितना हम अपने आप को छपाते हैं उतना ही ठाकुर जी हमें छिपा देते हैं. और जितना हम छिप कर भजन करते हैं उतना ही ठाकुर जी हमें ऐसे छपाते हैं कि हम छिप नहीं पाएंगे फिर. Like Madhavendra Puri, when his fame spread all over the world, all over the place, he said, I want to leave this place, I want to go to Jagannath Puri. And before he even reached there, his fame reached there. Krishna wanted to make Madhavendra Puri more famous than Madhavendra Puri wanted fame for himself. तो ठाकुर जब छपाते हैं तो व्यक्ति छिप नहीं पाता. और जब हम अपने आप को छुपाना चाहते हैं और प्रयास करते हैं, ठाकुर जी ऐसे छिपा लेते हैं, फिर जितना भी छपा वो व्यक्ति छिपा ही रहता है। सो मेन थिंग इज आत्मानम सर्वतो रक्षित, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ। ओके, निहारिका माता जी।
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Please accept my humble obeisances. Prabhuji, my question